So after pacing off the inside, this is our leak area. It's about 17 feet off of this wall and about 8 feet off of this wall. This is the leak outside of the women's bathroom. It's about 12 o'clock, maybe a little after, and the leak is very minimal inside. Only a very small amount of water can be seen on the floor. As we pan to the right and we look at the Lowe's and IKEA sign, this area over here will be our southeast or south-southeast, which our rain came out of last night. And as we pan to the left, upriver, this is where our northeastern rains would be coming in. If that's the case, then those two rains would basically hit directly on these walls, which is connected with the concrete floor in these areas of the roof.